was in and out of jail for my whole childhood. My mom was really the only parent there, but then she got caught up in drugs. Then I found out that my mom had moved to Colorado. She didn't tell anybody, so when I found out, I was very depressed for a while. That's also when I found out that my grandpa had skin cancer. Then in 2017, my grandpa had his first stroke. That put him on bed rest and he had to be in hospital. Then on March 31st, 2018, I had to say goodbye to my best friend. The only one in my family who truly got me. My mom found drugs again and never saw her. Up until 3 years ago when me and my mom finally reconnected. She's okay now. I live back with my dad again, and that's good. My dreams for the future are for me to become an early childhood teacher. I'm going to NTC to get my bachelor's degree. I plan on living on campus until I'm able to get an apartment nearby. After I graduate from college, I'm hoping to get a job in the Wausau/Stevens Point area. I really, really want to be that person that some teachers are for me here at Wausau.
So my family, I'm a Euro-Mexican. My grandparents from my mother's side immigrated from Poland and Mexico, and my father's side of the family immigrated from Puerto Rico. We grew up with low income, but my family made sure I didn't grow up without. Whether the need was knowledge or necessity, I didn't really mind because possessions weren't something that I strived for growing up. I guess you wouldn't call how I was brought up the average life, but it was quaint and gave me lots of experience in the real world. Because of my family and the life I've lived, I now see things from a different perspective. I'm intuitive, observant, helpful, and expressive. My dreams for the future are simple. I don't wish to have copious amounts of money, but to feel comfortable. I want to give back to the world and to the people who gave me pieces of themselves to replicate and adapt in order to survive. I want my family to feel like I held my abilities to the highest standards and that I didn't lower my goals because of other people's opinions. I dream of changing people's lives, not by giving them physical things, but by nurturing them through sharing my music, art, and mind. Giving people my truest self and kind thoughts sometimes can be all a person dreams of.
JAG has helped me figure out what I want to do in life. JAG has given me college opportunities. JAG has given me driver's license opportunities. JAG has given me the support to make it through. JAG has given me a purpose to be at school, something to look forward to every day. Ms. Bloom and Ms. B have always been there for me if I ever need a shoulder to cry on, or if I'm having a rough day and I'm hungry. Ms. Bloom and Ms. B have never given up on me or seen the bad side of me. They have never told me that I couldn't do something. JAG is an opportunity so many students around the world need, and people like Ms. Bloom and Ms. B are part of that opportunity.
JAG has helped me see the possibilities that I didn't realize were plausible to me, whether that be my high school classes, college plans, or different careers. The JAG advisors taught me the utmost selflessness. They teach me through their actions how to live a wholesome life of sharing your riches with the world, and you will receive them back. Another thing I was taught that goes hand in hand, I was taught not to forget myself while giving to others. The JAG specialist even taught me how to say no in a professional way and to speak my truth with respect and mindfulness. First, I would like to thank Ms. B for pushing me to a different level. You have affected me in a way I didn't expect. I come to you with any problem, big or small, and you treat it with the same care and love that a close friend does, yet keeping a professional taste to it. You kindle my inner fighter, and I've never felt more comfortable being quiet, because you make me feel like I shouldn't have to fight to be heard. If people don't give me the respect to listen, it's changed me in a way that I didn't know it could. Thank you also to Ms. Bloom for supporting me whenever you can. Although you are busy with these students, you prioritize their kindness and family-oriented spirit. You remind me of a cool auntie. Finally, I'd like to thank all those who support the JAG program, because without your relentless support, we all wouldn't be here.
would like to thank our JAG students for sharing your stories and being a part of Spotlight Day. That we will come through for you. We're here for you.
The same way,
But today,
always.
you came through for us. You all have to realize that you have that in you. Is you have the strength and the courage to help others.